If you're chilling at home and want to know what's happening in the world of Bollywood and social media, well, you've tuned in to the right place. मैं हूं सागरिका Chhetri and this is Planet Bollywood. Without further ado, let's begin with the top news of the day.
Priyanka Chopra Jonas may not be able to walk the red carpet at the Met Gala, but she is enjoying a princess-themed gala at home with her niece. Neha Dhupia is enjoying this time at home with her daughter and shared a lovely photo of the two of them from one of their art sessions where the two are covered in paint. Taapsee Pannu spoke to Gul Panag during a social media chat session and shared a couple of things that keep her going and help her to stay positive during the lockdown.
Looks like Priyanka Chopra is savoring every bit of her time with her niece Krishna. After posting an adorable video where Priyanka was seen lifting Krishna to replicate a gym workout, here was another video where her niece Krishna was getting Priyanka Chopra ready for an online Met Gala, जिसमें थीम था प्रिंसेस का. तो मेकअप से लेकर टियारा तक कृष्णा ने सारी तैयारी कर ली थी and we must say Priyanka Chopra was looking as beautiful as ever. In an alternative course of events, with no global pandemics and lockdowns, the 4th of May would have seen the who's who of Hollywood and the American music and entertainment industry dress up in their best for the Met Gala 2020. There would be couture and lots of photographers and glamour. लेकिन इस साल, given the COVID-19 outbreak, the Met Gala has been put on hold. Given how important a date it is in celeb calendars around the world, काफी celebs पिछले कुछ दिनों से throwback photos share कर रहे हैं of their Met Gala looks. लेकिन PC, who shared that she is in lockdown with her sister and niece, in addition to husband Nick Jonas in LA, is holding a mini Met Gala of her own, and she looks fabulous. After working out using her little niece Krishna like the most adorable gym equipment, लगता है कृष्णा अब आंट प्रियंका के साथ Met Gala खेल रही है. Chopra Jonas Palace में PC's niece Krishna and her hotshot aunt played dress up and hosted their own princess-themed gala. Instead of an expensive gown, Priyanka was dressed in a comfy summer dress and an elaborate hairstyle was replaced with a messy bun. Priyanka looked so blissfully happy with the makeup Krishna put all over her face. And what we loved the most was the cute little tiara the little princess put on PC's head. PC captioned the pics she shared. First Monday in May. This year's theme, Pretty Princess. Glam and creative direction by Sky Krishna. We love this look, Priyanka. Sare designers ek taraf, but the happy glow of spending time with your family looks the best on you. Deepika Padukone may be acing in productivity in the times of Corona, but looks like her husband has been productive only in the sleep department and often gets trolled by his wife for being the in-house sleeping beauty. After sharing a picture of him with the label husband and also teasing him in different online interviews, here she decides yet again to pull his legs on a social media story where she writes कि आज वो फिर देर से उठे और लिविंग रूम तक आने में देरी कर दी. वेल हम सब का भी यही हाल है दीपिका. सफर सिर्फ एक रूम से दूसरे रूम तक ही है. Bollywood's power couple Deepika and Ranveer, who are used to making high-profile appearances together, are now only walking the carpet from their bedroom to their couch and maybe commuting around their apartment. While Deepika has been sharing snaps from productivity series where she is keeping busy doing things around the house, रणवीर इस लॉकडाउन पीरियड में रेस्ट ले रहे हैं, या फिर यूं कहें कुछ ज्यादा ही रेस्ट ले रहे हैं। लगता है 83 में इतने सारे इनिंग्स खेलने के बाद रणवीर needs some time off the pitch before he gets ready to sit on the तख्त और भी जोरदार in his other upcoming films. Well, after making so many successful films over the past few years, plus so many stage performances and public events, रणवीर अब finally rest ले रहे हैं। शायद इसीलिए according to wifey Deepika, रणवीर दिन में ज्यादातर टाइम सोए हुए ही मिलते हैं। So while Deepika works out, cooks, sorts out her pantry, grows plants and cleans out her closet, Ranveer is found sleeping with a label on his forehead that says husband. In fact, Deepika has been trolling her husband regularly about his sleepiness, comparing him to a cat and talking about the peace at home because he is asleep most of the time. But looks like with the lockdown extended और बहुत सारा काम already करने के बाद, Deepika is also taking it easy and chilling on her couch for most of the day. A few days ago on her social media story, Deepika shared, "Might sleep on the couch tonight to cut down on my morning commute." We agree, Deepika. आजकल सफर सिर्फ बेडरूम से सोफा और सोफा से किचन तक ही हो रहा है. And in continuation to her earlier post, she added another story sharing. Meanwhile, Ranveer Singh overslept this morning and was late getting to the living room. लगता है प्रोडक्टिविटी सीरीज में कई एपिसोड्स करने के बाद दीपिका अब फाइनली रिलैक्स करने वाली है अपने हस्बैंड के साथ and is going to catch up on movies, food and conversation. किस्मत भी क्या चीज है, जो कल स्ट्रगलर थे आज वो सुपरस्टार है और जो कल सुपरस्टार थे आज वो उन्हीं स्ट्रगलर की फादर इन लॉ बन गए. Okay, no more riddles. I'm going to give you the scoop right away. Did you know that Akshay Kumar, who is married to Rajesh Khanna's daughter Twinkle Khanna and is one of the most successful and wealthiest star in Bollywood, once waited for 4 hours to audition in front of Rajesh Khanna and finally didn't get the part in the film Rajesh Khanna was making? Well, कब, कैसे, कहां our paths cross and cross again, we can never tell. Fate is truly a strange thing. किसे पता था that a struggler from Delhi's Chandni Chowk who used to work as a kitchen staff and waiter would one day become one of the most wealthy and successful actors in Bollywood. And the man who once refused to meet him would one day be his father-in-law. हमें एक ऐसे amazing story सुनने को मिली है. Rajesh Khanna was making a film called Jai Shiv Shankar and had already signed Dimple Kapadia and Jitendra for the film. In fact, Rajesh Khanna और Dimple Kapadia बहुत सालों बाद एक साथ on screen दिखने वाले थे. But in addition to those two stars, he wanted a newcomer in the project. Rajesh Khanna खुद auditions ले रहे थे. And when Akshay heard that there were auditions happening, he waited in line with so many other young faces for a chance to meet Rajesh Khanna, who was also called Kaka affectionately. After waiting for about 3 to 4 hours, Akshay Kumar's chance to audition still had not come, and he was asked to leave and told that Rajesh Khanna would not meet him. उस दिन भले ही अक्षय को रोल मिलने की गुड न्यूज नहीं मिली, but looks like he ended up meeting his future mother-in-law Dimple Kapadia, who gave him good advice and encouraged him. Those were Akshay's days of struggle when he would go to multiple auditions and look for work. लेकिन किस्मत का खेल देखिए. Akshay went on to become a successful action star and worked opposite Rajesh Khanna's daughter Twinkle Khanna. The two fell in love and got married, and Twinkle has moved on from films to become an interior designer first and then a writer. Akshay has climbed the ladder of success on his own terms, working with new filmmakers, trying his hands at comedy, action drama, and now even produces films with important social messages. Life is truly strange, and we never know कि कौन सा मोड़ और कौन सा फैसला हमें कहां ले जाएगा. सोचा जाए तो लगता है maybe if he had got that film, would he have been the superstar he is today? Would his life story have been different? ये क्वेश्चन एक दिन अक्षय कुमार से पूछना पड़ेगा. In a blast from the past story, हमें ये पता चला है that singer Alka Yagnik once ordered Aamir Khan to be escorted out of the recording studio when she was singing, क्योंकि आमिर खान उन्हें एक तक देख रहे थे और अलका याग्निक गा नहीं पा रही थी. That time, Aamir Khan was an unknown face and she was singing for his debut film कयामत से कयामत तक. लेकिन बाद में उन्हें जब पता चला कि अरे यही तो है फिल्म की हीरो, that's when she allowed Aamir to come back and offered an apology. Alka Yagnik is one of Bollywood's best playback singers of all time, and she has sung for hundreds of movie songs now over decades in the film industry. आज भी उनके गाने हम गाते हैं, गुनगुनाते हैं, and whether it was Kareena, Rani, Preeti Zinta, Madhuri Dixit, or even Deepika Padukone, every top female star has had Alka Yagnik sing for them at least once. In fact, जब कई सालों पहले Aamir Khan made his debut in Bollywood in the 80s, Alka Yagnik already playback गा रही थी. We have heard a very interesting story that we want to share with you today about how Alka Yagnik asked Aamir to leave a recording studio when she was singing. जी हाँ, don't be shocked, हम सच कह रहे हैं. ये हुआ था during the recording of the song गजब का है दिन from the hit movie कयामत से कयामत तक. Aamir Khan, who was the hero of the film, happened to be in the recording studio and kept looking at Alka Yagnik, which she says made her uncomfortable. Apparently, she went up to Aamir and asked him to leave the room because वो उनकी वजह से distract हो रही थी. सोचने में अजीब लगता है, but at that point, no one knew Aamir. He was just a newcomer, not a star, and शायद इसीलिए Alka Yagnik उन्हें पहचान नहीं पाई, and she got angry with him. The film's director Mansoor Khan had to introduce Alka Yagnik to Aamir Khan and tell her कि मैडम यही तो है हमारे हीरो. And as fate would have it, one of the top stars in the industry for years to come. Apparently, Alka Yagnik बहुत embarrassed थी and even apologized to Aamir for her behavior. लेकिन कहते हैं आमिर आज भी उन्हें इस बात को लेकर चिढ़ाते हैं.
I'll start running around in the city. I'll go and sit on the road, or I just want to just go out. I just want to see like open spaces. I have scripts to read. I have shows to follow. I have some movies to watch that people would want to adapt in Hindi, or I work in Tamil and Telugu also. I've never ever entered the kitchen to cook. What you're doing is just walking from kitchen to living room to bedroom. Yeah. So I have to work out twice a day. So I end up climbing upstairs in my building. I made a timetable which is still hanging there on the pin board in the house because I want to feel like I'm busy. I just try different types of pranayam. It really will really help you, really a lot.
In an interview with Gulpanag, Taapsee Pannu, who's carving a path for herself in Bollywood with powerful performance-driven roles, has shared some tips on how she's coping with the lockdown. She says that she has discovered her new cooking skills, has created a daily schedule for herself so that she can help her sister and sister-in-law with the household chores, and that the daily schedule and by doing pranayam has helped her cope with the anxiety during this time. Taapsee Pannu had a successful 2019 and a great start to 2020, and currently she has almost 6 to 7 films in the pipeline जिन पर वो जल्द ही काम करना शुरू करेंगी. The fiery young actor spoke to Gul Panag about life in lockdown and how she has altered her schedule to accommodate household chores and her work on her film projects that are still continuing from home.
I have these apps on my phone that help me work out, and then I get on to just making my breakfast, having it. Like say roughly around 10:30, 11 is when I eventually sit down with my computer and I start going to my emails. I get to work. It is 10:30, 11 for 2 hours at a stretch. I will work, answer emails. I have to record some videos or bites for people for all this. So there's all these small itsy bitsy things that are there, and then I'll get on, go into the kitchen, open my notes, and get into
and find the recipe to cook.
Find which auntie is giving me the best recipe there and what I can cook, and then figure out my lunch thing. I have scripts to read, I have shows to follow, I have some movies to watch that people would want to adapt in Hindi, or I work in Tamil and Telugu also, so some people want to make a Tamil film in Hindi or a Telugu film in Hindi or a Hindi film in that language, so I end up seeing a lot of that.
Taapsee, जिनका काफी busy schedule रहा है पिछले कुछ सालों में, has made a major self-discovery during the lockdown. She can cook and she manages to make good food.
I've never ever entered the kitchen to cook. I have my sister and my sister-in-law staying with me in the house, in the apartment here, and I'm the official cook of the house, and nobody ever thought this can happen in this birth.
That's a huge learning.
It's a huge learning, yeah. And my mom sitting out there in Delhi is having the last laugh right now. Like, I told you, you'll have to do it.
Like,
Neha Dhupia just took away our lockdown blues with an adorable photo of her daughter Meher. Mom and daughter are seen in a heartwarming photo enjoying a fun art session where Meher is covered fully in colors and has smeared her mother as well. Neha, the ever-doting mother, is seen hugging and kissing her beti dearest, और ये innocent प्यार देखकर our hearts have melted into a puddle of love. Neha Dhupia has played many roles over the years. Beauty queen, actor, anchor, reality show judge. But a role she seems to be acing during this lockdown is as mommy to an adorable little toddler. Neha, who is in lockdown with her husband and actor Angad Bedi and daughter Meher, has been sharing some lovely snaps and videos of the small family bonding and spending time together during this lockdown phase. Her most recent snap is just cuteness overloaded and has Neha hugging and kissing Meher while the mother-daughter duo is covered in paints and colors. Neha and her husband have taken a call to not share Meher's face on social media to ensure she has privacy. और इस snap में भी Meher का face covered है, but their love and bond cannot be hidden. Neha has been having art sessions at home with Meher, and it looks like the photo was clicked just after they had finished. Choti si Meher is covered in yellow, while her mom is cuddling her with quite a bit of paint on her arms and legs too. Neha wrote an adorable caption, "Piece of art" with HE in brackets, and added a heart emoticon. Neha's friends Tahira Kashyap and Dia Mirza both responded immediately, completely in love with the pic. Tahira Kashyap wrote, "So cute, what fun," while Dia Mirza responded with love and heart-eyed emojis. Neha has been sharing of her quarantine diaries with Meher and Angad, and recently also shared that one of the activities she has planned with Meher during this time is making a memory book with her, which is a craft project to record their memories together. Neha had written in her post where she shared a glimpse of the memory book We've been doing some fun things together, but making this memory book has been an absolute delight. I know there'll be many more craft masterpieces from her, but this is one of her first, and with it will remain a million sweet memories. Way to go, Neha. You seem to be raising a really cute and creative baby who is going to learn so much from you during this forced break from work. Planet Bollywood में लेते हैं एक छोटा सा break, but stay tuned because we have a lot more coming your way. Ram Gopal Verma, who was once a respected director and a master of crime, thriller and suspense films, आजकल controversies के लिए awards पा रहे हैं. In his latest foot in the mouth moments, he passed insensitive comments on women who were standing in queue in front of the liquor shops, which reopened recently, stating that such women should now not complain of domestic violence. उनका ये insensitive comment पढ़कर netizens were really angry at him, and even singer Sona Mahapatra lashed out at him saying that he should be the one standing in line to get an education. एक वक्त था जब राम गोपाल वर्मा बॉक्स ऑफिस में आग लगाते थे. But now the filmmaker, who seems long past his days of making cutting-edge films, is specializing in making only epic faux pas. From mistaking Mahendra Singh Dhoni to be an actor, to getting into trouble with women's organizations for his comments promoting pornography. RGV और कंट्रोवर्सी का साथ उनके बुरे बॉक्स ऑफिस रिकॉर्ड से ज्यादा मजबूत है. And he found himself in trouble again when he shared a very regressive and offensive tweet shaming women who were standing in a queue outside a liquor store which opened after several weeks of being closed during the lockdown. Ram Gopal Verma ने ट्वीट किया, "Look who's in line at the wine shops. So much for protecting women against drunk men." Well, Ram Gopal Verma के इन व्यूज से कोई भी impressed नहीं था. Especially singer Sona Mahapatra, who always raises her voice when it's an issue concerning women and their safety or representation in the media. Sona replied, "Dear Mr. RGV, time for you to get into the line of people who desperately need real education that lets you understand why this tweet of yours reeks of sexism and misplaced morality. Women have a right to buy and consume alcohol just like men. No one has a right to be drunk and violent." Other netizens also disagreed with RGV. "Mr. Verma, are you suggesting women who drink should not complain when they face any abuse from men? Sick, disgusting logic that can only come from an insecure man." Given the sharp rise in domestic violence, many celebrities and political figures have criticized the government's decision to reopen liquor shops. उन्हें इस बात की चिंता है that access to alcohol could prove harmful for women, men and children who are in danger if they have a family member who gets drunk and violent. Lyricist Javed Akhtar and actor Malaika Arora have also been vocal about the risks of opening up liquor shops. Javed Akhtar had shared in a social media post, "Opening liquor shops during the lockdown will only bring disastrous results." While we hope कि गवर्नमेंट के इस फैसले से डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस के केसेस ना बढ़े, but इस इशू का मजाक उड़ाना is really not in good taste. Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to put in your views and comments in our comment section below on our digital platform and social media handles. I'm Sagarika Chetri signing off for now, but promising to be back tomorrow. And you've got to promise me to stay safe and stay indoors.